Hi friends, I have a special unboxing today. I have the 20th anniversary Traveler's Notebook card size set in black. Let's open it up together. Thank you so much for joining me today. I have a special unboxing. You guys know how much I love Traveler's Notebooks, and I'm such a huge fan of the Travelers Company in Japan. I was able to grab this special limited edition box set. I was able to pick this up on the Travelers Company website. I did not pre-order. They probably went really fast. I think they sold out within the first 10 minutes. Just check back on their website because sometimes they do bring things back. I know the road trip one like sold out, and then they came and brought it back again. Same thing for the 11 trip. I didn't pre-order that, and this was this one. It did come back. So I would just keep an eye on it. I'm not sure when I can get this video up, so I just wanted to let you guys know in advance. And let's just unbox and take a look at how it looks. And this is actually the passport size. This is a standard size traveler's notebook. I think you guys have seen in my videos. This is my main one that I use all the time, and I put stickers in here. It's more kind of like my storage case for now, but I really love, this is one of my favorite covers, the camel cover. I don't know why, because it's just more suede-y. It's really soft and it's really, really pretty. Okay, and suddenly now the sun decided to come in, so let me adjust my shades really quick. Okay, so that's a little better now. Okay, so I'm gonna unbox this. Let's take a look and see how it is, and we're gonna see what can fit in here. It was funny because I just recently went to New York on a trip to the East Coast, and I wanted something. I needed a notebook and like kind of a wallet, and this actually may be the perfect thing. I love how they package everything. This box is absolutely adorable. Has everything. What the good thing with this kit is it comes with a bunch of things, because if you know Travelers Company, usually usually when you buy a Travelers Company cover, you just get this and with one booklet, but this thing comes with like 4 refills, which is cool. The canvas like pouch, the craft folder, and elastics. And I did hear that they will be selling refills for the notebooks, because I imagine this is very small, that it's going to be easy to finish these quickly. This is so cute. I'm going to keep this for my notebook. This is so adorable. Okay, and then don't forget, oh my god, and it has a little mini like linen pouch that, oh, and then you can change it to this. Does this look more orange, more red? I think this is a nice red. I may change it to this one. Does it look more orangey? I think I saw someone online and theirs looked more orange, but mine does look more red. So, but it has like an orange tint to it. I can't really tell right now. I can change it later, but always keep this elastic. It's always good to keep, so make sure when you take that out from the box. And let's open this up. Let me move this aside. I love these pouches. I'm surprised they didn't, like, when I got this passport size 11 trip, it had like this little bag was printed, which I keep, and it's really cute. But I would think that they would have done that on this, but maybe they didn't have time, and maybe it's too small. Okay, so I'll put that there. Look how cute. I got black because I figured black would be more durable. I wasn't, this is the brown. This is my only brown that I have. I just didn't want any scratches on it. And this one's really nice condition. There's a bookmark in here, and then there's one elastic. And so you do have the extra rubber bands to do, like, to add in more booklets together. I can try that with you, but I'm not sure how. This thing can't fit too much because it's already very small. I don't want to overstuff it. Let's open up the craft folder. I think what I can do is, like, this can hold. Oh, this is where I think you can do the jump rings. I think I can do. There, let me just use this and I'll show you how I can do something with this. So hopefully they sell more of these, in case, since it is a smaller size. But I did hear that they are going to sell refills. So I think what you want to do is, I forgot how to do this. Yeah, like this. So basically make sure it's flat. So it could be, this is the folder, but it could be another notebook. And there's grooves in this. Oh, it's a little twisted. There are grooves in this craft folder, so it kind of keeps its place. And then you do it like this. Then you open up like this. So this is like, I had it kind of back to back and I put on the rubber band. And then now I kind of fold it out like this. And then you just put it in here. There you go. And then I can move this bookmark back in here. So there. So now I have like the jump rings in here, like not really a jump ring, or the rubber band. So I can like have multiple books in here. And then let's open up this pouch because I kind of like how this is like that. So yeah, this is how I have it in here. I actually have a bunch of stuff in here. So I have the canvas cover, like the canvas pouch here, and then I have this I put this in the middle and it has a bunch of supplies, my ruler, a bunch of things in here, just for when I need to like get ephemera and everything. What's cool is this one actually says 20th anniversary on it. So it looks like it's like bluer on camera, but in person, I mean, it feels like it is black. It's not really black. So this is the only black cover I have, the black wing cover. It looks more bluish in tone. And you can actually flip it whatever way you want. If you want this pocket out, you can flip it out. You can fit cards here. Or if you want to flip it in, you can flip it in. So what did I do here? You can do whatever you want. I think I flipped it in. So this one just says Travelers Company. Made in Japan. Okay, so. And then let's see. I think I took one of my cards. Okay, so just to see if you wanted to put a credit card in here, this is my Barnes & Noble card. It does fit inside, so that's nice. And then I would think I would put it this way so it doesn't fall out the other way. I think it keeps it more secure. So I would do this. And then you can have like your ID. There's another pocket here for you can put your ID and credit card here, maybe put some bills in here. And then here you can put some coins, although I don't even use coins anymore. I try not to get coins, but you can even put your bills in here too, or receipts. Maybe receipts can go in here actually. So this is kind of a nice like little wallet on the go. It's absolutely adorable. The leather is shedding a tiny bit, but let's open up these little notebooks and see what they look like. Okay, so you have a piece of cardboard, and then this is nice. You have two, these are cream colored Midori paper, I'm assuming. Two of these, and then two of these that are white, like what you have inside here. So you have basically one book here and 5 books. So that's 5. That's pretty good. I'm not sure how many sheets are in each one. Oh, and they do show you how to do it with the jump bands here. Let me see if they talk about how many. Okay, so each notebook refill has 32 pages, which is great. So that's just enough for like a trip when you need to write something down quickly. Oh, so cute. I mean, I don't think you can actually, like with my passport, I have this like, I can put like a pen here, but that's not going to work on this little one. So this is like, if you want to see the size, this is a passport size. And this is like really small. It's like not really half. It kind of goes over, but it's pretty cute and small. Let me see. Let me show you the different sizes. So then here is the standard. Actually, I'll put this up. Move this up a little bit. Standard. So you can see 3 different sizes. How cute is that? So I wanted to see, so I did have this Traveler's Factory pouch, I use this all the time. I use this on my trip. I put my hard drive in here, my external hard drive. And then in here, I have like cables and like, you know, my microphones. And like, this is a phone stand that I have. And I wonder if this fits in here. I mean, I think it will. Maybe not back in this zipper, but I don't want to scratch it. Actually, let me take this stuff out. Like if I wanted to have like a little pouch for it, that's kind of why I got the block too. It would look really cute in here. I mean, any color would look cute. It does fit in here. Oh my God, that's so cute. So now it's in here and I can put the cables back here if I wanted to, or a pen, but it does fit in here. It actually fits really well in here. So this is the small pouch. I don't know if they still have this on the site. I can link to it. I have a previous video of where I unboxed this, but I really love this. It's actually, this canvas has gotten softer as I've been using it, and the leather, but I use this every day to store my tech accessories and I absolutely love it. I also got a larger size in a camel color, but yeah, this fits in here. How fun is that? This one is supposed to fit the passport size, but will it fit in here? I think I'll take off the, yeah, I think I can squish it in if I needed to. I'm not going to do that now. Let's see. Yeah, actually, so that does. This can fit a passport, but it can also fit this card size too. So that's nice. I really love that. How cute. I really do love this. Their quality of their products is so good. So I'm going to put on, I got this little Coffee Monsters Co. fountain pen charm, and I'm just going to stick this on the front here because I need to have a charm. But that's adorbs. How cute is that? I really love this. This is like a perfect little wallet, like to just take with me on the go. I think you could just even like, if you needed to have a pen, you could just, this is my fountain pen, but maybe if you had a smaller pen, you can just put it like this. That's cute. I need to use this Blackwing one. I think I'm afraid to get scratches on it, but I'm really happy I have this one. But how cute. Okay, let me move this stuff back. So adorable. So yeah, you can see the size, how passport and this little mini card size looks. It's just perfect for a wallet. And I love that everything comes with it once you get it, so you don't have to buy all the different things separately. It's absolute perfection. Absolute perfection. Look how cute. And the leather is such good quality. I really love it. So it's definitely my favorite brand for Traveler's Notebook style stuff. I love Traveler's Company. Since I purchased directly from Traveler's Company, they gave me a little card, which is really cute, with their support on there, but you can use it for junk journaling. And then they gave me their new Traveler's Times, which is really cool. So I love checking this out and reading all the articles and stuff. So this is like a cute little freebie that came with my order with the little card. So I love ordering directly from them, and it comes really fast to me. So, okay, I've linked what I can in the description box. So unfortunately, stuff is sold out. So if you have any questions on anything, feel free to let me know, and hopefully I can answer them. If you like planners and stationery, especially Japanese stationery, make sure you're subscribed to my channel and turn on notifications, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.